Hey everyone, I'm Kathleen if you're new here. In this video, I'm going step by step on how to do a French braid. First, you take a section of hair from either the beginning of your hairline or the top of your head like I'm doing here, and then sectioning that into 3 equal parts. Then, like a regular 3-strand braid, you're going to take that section of hair and cross the right section over the middle section, and then the left section over the middle section. After doing that once, this is where we start adding more hair to the braid. So going back to the right section of hair, taking a bit of hair from the side of your head right above your right ear, sliding it along the scalp and adding it to the right section of hair before crossing it over the middle. And then you're going to do the same thing on the left side, going right above your left ear, taking a small piece of hair, sliding across the scalp, adding it to the left section of hair, and then crossing it over the middle. So I'll go through this one more time slowly before speeding it up. So back over to the right side section, taking a bit of hair on the right side of your head, taking it along the scalp, and then adding it to your right side section, and then crossing it over the middle section. And then we again go to this left side, taking a bit of hair from the left side of your head, going along the scalp and adding it to the left side section before crossing it right over the middle section. So then you're going to just continue adding more hair from the side of your head to each of the side sections before crossing it over the middle, alternating back and forth from left to right, adding more and more hair bit by bit to each side section over the middle, all the way down your head until you reach the nape of the neck. Once you reach there, you're just going to do a traditional 3-strand braid with the rest of your hair. So that is it for the French braid. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and comment below what hairstyles you want me to do next. Thanks for watching and bye.